swarm of bees. I could taste you even then, and I would chase you down the wind. You can go there if you please, wild honey. If you go there, go with me, wild honey. Did I know you even then, before the clocks kept time, before the world was made? From the cruel sun, you were shelter, were my shelter and my shade. And if you go there, go with me, wild honey. You can do just what you please, wild honey. Yeah, just blowing in the breeze, wild honey. Wild, wild, I'm still standing where you left me. Are you still growing wild, with everything tame around you? I sense you fly.